Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can upgrade your credit card limit using pre-approved credit card limit enhancement offer. So recently I have received an SMS from SBI that I am eligible to upgrade my SBI credit card limit through the pre-approved offer, which doesn't require any income documents to be submitted. So let's find out how you can upgrade the credit card limit through the pre-approved offer. So first of all, to upgrade your credit card limit, you will need to visit the SBI card official website, and then from here you will need to log in to your account using your card credentials. If you don't have account over here, you will need to register one. So I already have an account, so I'll log in over here. So you can log in by mobile number, registered mobile number. If you have user ID, then by user ID also you can log in, or by card details you can log in. So just log into your account. So once you are logged in, you will get similar interface. I have been offered pre-approved credit limit enhancement offer. To upgrade my credit card limit through pre-approved offer, I'll need to go to benefits. So under benefits, you'll need to click on card credit limit increase. So just click on this. So here you can see that my existing limit, credit card limit, was 1 lakhs. So now I am being offered 1,80,000. So after I submit my request for credit limit enhancement, my new credit limit will be 1,80,000. First of all, I'll show you my current limit. So to check your current limit, just go to my dashboard, and here you can see the credit limit. So my current credit limit is 1 lakh. So now let's try upgrading through this offer. So go to benefits, and under benefits, credit limit increase. This is a pre-approved offer to increase the credit. So if you don't have such offer, you will need to submit the request by uploading the documents, means income documents. So as per my usage pattern, SBI had offered me this pre-approved offer. So if you also want such offer on your card, you will need to regularly use your card and pay your dues regularly on time. So now let's try upgrading this. So by default, the terms and condition will be ticked mark. So you'll need to just click on submit button over here. So these offers are time limited, means once you get the SMS or notification, you'll need to submit the request by this offer validity. So my offer validity is mentioned over here. So before this date, I'll need to submit this request. So now let's try submitting this request. So by default, this terms and condition has been tick marked. So we'll need to just click on submit button. So our request has been submitted, and a service request number has been generated. Your credit limit on SBI card so and so has been successfully increased to 1,80,000. So instantly the credit limit has been revised to the new limit. As this was a pre-approved offer, it gets approved instantly. So you can also track the status of your service request by clicking on the track status. So let's check the status. So here is the service request which we have raised to increase our credit limit. Now the status has been closed because our credit limit has already been increased instantly. So let's check our credit limit now. To check your credit limit, we'll need to go to my dashboard. So under my dashboard, you'll get to see the credit limit, new credit limit over here. So before it was 1 lakhs, so now it is showing me 1,80,000. So this is how you can increase your credit limit of your SBI credit card if you are having an pre-approved offer. That's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.